Hi class, so what I want to do in this video here is I wanted to record a video showing you how to use StatCrunch this week to help you solve your Module 8 assignment very, very quickly. So what StatCrunch has built into it is a normal distribution probability calculator. So when you load up StatCrunch, I loaded it up through Question Help StatCrunch. When you load up StatCrunch, if you click on this button Stat and then you click on Calculators, you'll see this thing called Normal. And when you click on it, you have this normal distribution. And what it does is there's two options. There's a standard one, and what that does is it computes all the probability either to the left, where the red shaded area is, or to the right of a value. And then there's this option called Between, which can compute the probability between two values. All right, and let me show you how to work this, okay? So here's the first problem. Assume that the random variable x is normally distributed with mean of 82 and standard deviation of 4. Find the indicated probability. So I want to find the probability that x is less than 80. So what they said was the mean was 82, so I put that in there. Standard deviation was 4, okay? And they want to be less than 80, and they want to round to 4 decimal places. So I'm going to make sure this says less than. I'm going to put 80. And then I'm going to hit compute. And look here, it's going to show the graph and shade it in. And you're going to go to 4 decimal places. So I can literally take this 0.3085, copy it, paste it in there, and look how easy that was. Okay, it's so much easier than using the table, the standard normal table, calculating z-scores, things like that. Let me pick just another random problem here. Okay, so this one right here. It says, assume, this is question number 6. Assume a member is selected at random from the population represented by this graph over here. And this is the pregnancy length in the population of new mothers. Okay, and it says on average, this is in days, pregnancy length is 269 days with a standard deviation of 12. Okay, it says find the probability that a member selected at random is from the shaded region. So I want to be between, look, see this like turquoise teal type area here between 282 and 294. Okay, so mean is 269 with a standard deviation of 12. So I'm going to click on my between. So it's 269, standard deviation of 12. And I want to be between, watch, 282 and 294. I'm going to hit compute. And this one they said to go to 4 decimal places. So 1234.1207. Let's check our answer. Look, we got it. So let me grab another one here for you. This first 12 questions are going to be roughly the same way. It's just going to be different numbers into the calculator. Then you'll look here, it says the last few questions are about finding values. So let me do one. Okay. So this one here says, in a survey of women in a certain country, okay, this is ages 20 to 29, the mean height was 63.1 inches with a standard deviation of 2.71 inches. Okay. So let's answer the following questions. I'm just going to do this first one here for you. Okay. What is the 95th percentile here? Okay, what height represents the 95th percentile? And remember, when they ask for things like first quartile, that's like the 25th percentile, just to give you a little help there. But what is the 95th percentile? So what you can do here, and to do this, you're going to click on the standard. You're going to put in the mean height of 63.1 inches and the standard deviation of 2.71. And now here's the thing, when they want the 95th percentile, you're going to leave this as a less than or equal to. What you're going to do is you're going to click into the probability box here, and you're going to put 0.95, and watch what happens when I hit compute. This right here is the 95th percentile. So they want this to 2 decimal places. So when I round this to 2 decimal places, it's going to be 67.56. So I just have to round up there. And look how I did that. So when they ask for something like the 97th percentile, okay, you're just going to put in the mean standard deviation and then the percentile as a decimal here and hit compute, and it'll fill in this area for you here. If you use StatCrunch, this homework should be very, very simple and very quick for you. If you have any questions, let me know, but I hope this video helped.